Summer Bridge 2025.
I'm excited for my new classes next year.
I'm excited about welcoming students back to school this year, new students and returning students, and seeing students in school each and every day so we can have great attendance rates here at Metro.
I'm excited for my sophomore year and to meet new people.
I'm looking forward to all the new things and all the new opportunities that Metro has to offer. I'm excited to get to know the class of 2029 and be the magnet resource teacher next year.
I'm looking forward to meet new people and the teachers.